Hi! I am so excited. My bestie just brought me this in from the postie, and it's from Rich at GreenGate3D, and I'm pretty sure I know what's in it. For those that don't know, GreenGate3D make recycled PETG filament in America, and they have really, really gorgeous colors. Rich reached out to me very recently and popped this in the post for me, and I'm so excited. There's a note. Oh, the beginning of a new chapter. That it is. Thank you, Rich. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, there's so many things. Oh wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so this is Billie Ruben's cherry pie. That's me. Oh my god, okay, we have to get it out of the packet. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's so shiny. I don't know whether you can see this on the camera. This is incredible. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. It's this gorgeous, like, candy apple red. It's translucent. I'm so excited. I know exactly what I want to do with this. Oh my god. This is so exciting. Holy crap. And there's other goodies. Oh my god. It's got a little bow on it. What we got? That's awesome. And, yes, very important. Silica, PETG. That is like a ticking time bomb now. I need to get it back into a bag. Stickers. Love me some stickers. And a notepad and a pen. Oh my god. Thank you, Rich. This is so exciting. I will keep this in a sous vide bag, which is how I keep all my filament. I keep them in these reusable sous vide bags. So these are really great. You can zip them up like a Ziploc and then pull all the air out of them so you can tell if they've sprung a leak. So I'll keep it in here with all of this gel. That would be awesome. Hopefully that will keep it safe from my crazy climate. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It's so shiny. I can't get over it. I just want to eat it. I just want to eat it. It honestly looks delicious. Forbidden snacks, right? Okay, I know exactly what I want to do with this. So this is super exciting. Thank you, Rich. I ended up 3D printing these feathers and turned them into a little fascinator. And when I took it out into the sun, the gold hues in the filament just totally took off and they looked all fiery like phoenix feathers. I was just so taken by them. These feathers use a different, easier technique than the pretty patterns in my last tutorial, and I'll have a video coming out about them soon, but I was just so impressed by this colour. The way it glints is just to die for. So the magnanimous Rich at GreenGate3D has sorted me out with a little deal. If you love this filament as much as I do, or you want to taste my cherry pie, then you can use the affiliate link in the description, and for every roll that you buy, I get a little bit of money. So not only will you be supporting Made in America, 100% recycled, but you will also be supporting little old me. Oh my god, I just want to lick it. I probably shouldn't put water in it. Maybe it's a little lick. Yeah, it just tastes like plastic. Okay, I'll see you.